I'm John Schoenhals, Pioneer Field Agronomist in Northern Ohio. I'm standing in a field of soybeans where we can consider weeds control to be a success this year. In many other cases across the area, this is not the case. Prevent plant acreage has been very difficult to control for weeds, and many soybean fields have also been covered in weeds this growing season. As you prepare for 2020, it's important to consider each of the herbicide trait considerations for the soybean crop. This field of soybeans is planning to extend. Extend offers tolerance to certain dicamba herbicides as well as glyphosate. This system is very valuable for several reasons. First of all, Pioneer offers a complete lineup of Extend soybeans with industry-leading yield potential and agronomic traits. This means that the right product can be placed on the right acre to maximize yield and profitability. The Extend system also gives flexibility with burn-down chemistries, where you can use dicamba right before planting without waiting for a plant back interval, as well as early in the season for tough to control weeds. The Liberty Link system is also a popular choice, with tolerance to glufosinate chemistries. Glufosinate offers very good control of tough to control weeds like water hemp or mare's tail, and Pioneer's offering of Liberty soybeans is again a complete lineup of A-series soybeans with industry-leading performance. The Enlist E3 herbicide system is new for 2020 in the Pioneer lineup. This system offers three-way herbicide tolerance: glyphosate, glufosinate, and a new 2,4-D choline formulation called Enlist 1 or Enlist Duo when it's pre-mixed with glyphosate. This system offers flexibility for weeds control application timing. This system is brand new to the industry, and as such is going to take a few years to gain breeding into the Pioneer Elite germplasm for A-series soybeans. While the Enlist E3 system will be valuable for some producers, many producers will prefer to stick with proven high-yielding varieties in the A-series lineup in the full Liberty and Extend herbicide options. Regardless of which soybean herbicide system is used, or even if conventional soybeans are planted, there are three keys to weeds control success, the first two of which take place even before seed is in the ground. The first key is starting clean, using burn-down chemistries or tillage. Now, this was hard to do in 2019, but must be prioritized for 2020. A fall application of herbicides to control mare's tail and other winter annuals can go a long way in helping a good, clean start in 2020. The second step, and one of the keys for control in this field, is using a quality residual herbicide program. Now, there's lots of great chemistries on the market, but the key is to use a quality herbicide with multiple modes of action and at least one PPO chemistry if water hemp is part of the spectrum of control that is needed. When those two steps are done correctly, the third step, which is post-emergent weeds control, is much easier to do in any system. Every system offers chemistries that can be sprayed over the top of the soybeans and offer cleanup of weeds that either escaped or came up through steps 1 and 2. A good option for water hemp control that takes place with that post-application is a residual chemistry that overlaps the pre-emerge products. Something like Ever-Pre-X that offers some metallochlor in season extends the residual control later in the season to prevent later emerging water hemp and weed species from growing. When these three steps are completed, ideal and almost perfect weed control can take place regardless of which chemistry herbicide system is used. As you pick products for 2020, think about yield potential, think about agronomic traits such as Phytophthora and white mold scores, and think about herbicide options and how you can make a complete system work on your operation. For more questions or to learn more about the Pioneer A-Series offers, contact your local Pioneer sales representative or Pioneer agronomist and territory manager.
That concludes this Pioneer Growing Point Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.